Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, today I'll show you 7 ways to fix iPhone auto-correct not working. Method 1. Change the display settings. If the autocorrect not working, the first thing is to check if the auto-correction function has been turned on. Step 1. Go to Settings. Step 2. Tap on General. Then click Keyboard. Step 3. Scroll down to make sure auto-correction is turned on. Method 2. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If the other methods can't fix it, it's probably your device's issues. Then you can use the TunesKit iOS System Recovery to fix it with the following steps. Step 1. Open and launch TunesKit on computer. With the help of a USB, connect your iPhone to your computer. Then click the Start button. Step 2. Choose a repair mode. The standard mode is better, as it can keep the iPhone data intact. If done, click the Next button. Step 3. Download firmware package and repair. Before downloading, you can check the device info. Then, tap the Download button. If it is complete, tap the Repair button, and wait a few minutes, your iPhone will be repaired. Method 3. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. By resetting the keyboard dictionary, you can erase the pesky misspelled words. Step 1. Go to Settings. Step 2. Tap General. Find Reset. Step 3. Select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Method 4. Restart iPhone. Update the iPhone to the latest version can remove some bugs that lead to the problem of gray screen. For iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up and down button successively. Then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press the power and volume down buttons at the same time, and hold them until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 or the older ones, hold the power and home buttons at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Method 5. Activate predictive and spelling options. Activate the predictive and spelling can ensure the autocorrect work. So go to the Settings, tag the General button, and click the Keyboard, then turn on the predictive button and the check spelling button. Method 6. Use text replacement. Text replacement can automatically help you to fix this issues with the following steps. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard. Step 2. Find text replacement. Step 3. Press on the plus option to create desired text replacement. Step 4. Type in the rights word into the phrase box and save. Method 7. Update iOS to the latest version. The older version of iOS may also occurs iPhone error, so just open the Settings, General, Software Update. Then click the Install button to update your iOS system to the latest version. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you next time.